Futuramic. It's a brand new word for dramatic design of the future. As architects will tell you, Futuramic design combines beauty with utility. In houses or in automobiles, Futuramic design means styling with a purpose. The new 1948 Oldsmobile is the first of the Futuramic cars. It's designed for utmost passenger comfort and maximum visibility, as well as for smartness and style. And with GM Hydromatic drive, there's no gear shifting, no clutch pushing. Just step on the gas and go. The smart way, the Futuramic way, the Oldsmobile way. There he comes now in his merry Oldsmobile. It's a Futuramic Oldsmobile with the newest push-button features. Automatic windows, automatic top. Just pull a handy control, and before you've had time to admire the smooth-flowing Futuramic lines of this real post-war Oldsmobile, the top is down, automatically. Like to drive it? Just slip into that big, comfortable front seat, touch that button, and presto. The seat adjusts itself. Driving's almost automatic, too, with GM Hydromatic drive. There's no clutch pedal, and gears shift automatically in this smart, new Futuramic Oldsmobile for 1948. Watch how easy it is to drive in a Hydromatic Oldsmobile. This special camera mounted on the back of the car will give you a bird's eye view. Keep your eye on the driver's right hand. See? Even as she slows down smoothly and stops for a traffic sign, she has both hands on the wheel. Even as she starts up again and pulls away from traffic, there's no gear shifting, no clutch pushing. All she does is steer the car and operate the accelerator. There's not even a clutch pedal there. The camera shows that Hydromatic drive works almost like magic. Keeps you always in the right gear automatically. It's smart to own an Olds. A Futuramic Oldsmobile with GM Hydromatic drive. In the truly modern home or the truly modern car, it's functional design that counts. Smart styling is styling with a purpose, as seen in this new 1948 Futuramic Oldsmobile. Futuramic is a brand new word created to describe this brand new post-war General Motors car. Luxuriously appointed inside and out, the Futuramic Oldsmobile brings truly modern post-war design to the automotive field. There's utility as well as beauty in every smart detail. There's the safety of greater visibility. There's automatic shifting too, and no clutch pushing thanks to GM Hydromatic drive. The smart way to go is the automatic way in a Futuramic Oldsmobile.